In this video, we listed the 5 best Delta 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Flsun T1 Pro Delta 3D Printer. The Flsun T1 Pro Delta 3D Printer is a high-performance device designed for speed and precision in printing, featuring a robust metal construction with dimensions of 23.62 inch dx 34.25 wx 9.45 h and a weight of 22.34 kilograms. Capable of achieving impressive printing speeds of up to 1000 mm per second and an acceleration of 30,000 mm s², it combines a high-performance control chip with a silent cooling fan to ensure quality results. The printer is equipped with a high-definition AI camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, enhancing the user experience. Its dual-gear direct drive extruder reaches temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius, supporting a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, while an automatic leveling feature and material break detector improve printing accuracy. With a user-friendly color touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a quick installation process, the Flsun T1 Pro is suitable for both beginners and experienced users, all while operating quietly at 55 decibels. Number 2. MALYAN M300 3D Printer. The MALYAN 3D printer is designed for both beginners and professionals, featuring a smart and simple user interface that allows for easy operation through intuitive button controls for numerical adjustments and axis movement. It comes fully assembled and calibrated, including a microSD card with pre-installed models, enabling users to start printing immediately. Its compact desktop design ensures it fits comfortably on any workspace, and it supports printing via USB from Windows or Mac PCs, as well as from files stored on the microSD card, compatible with popular software like Cura and Repetier. The printer is equipped with an all-metal hot end for enhanced stability and performance, along with a sturdy metal base and side filament holder for convenient filament changes. Additionally, MALYAN offers lifetime technical support and 24-hour professional customer service, ensuring assistance is readily available for any inquiries or issues. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is a robust 3D printer designed for both large-scale and intricate projects, featuring an impressive build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 mm that allows users to print multiple models simultaneously. Equipped with advanced CR Touch automatic leveling technology, it simplifies the leveling process by automatically measuring and adjusting print height across 25 points on the heated bed. The printer's high-precision dual Z-axis system, coupled with a full metal Bowden extruder, ensures stability and durability while minimizing noise levels to below 50 dB. Additionally, the Ender 3 Max Neo includes a reliable 350W power supply with power loss recovery capabilities, enabling users to resume prints after interruptions, along with a filament sensor to monitor material levels and enhance printing success. Overall, this printer combines efficiency, precision, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 4. TRONXY Crux 1 3D Printer. The TRONXY Crux 1 is a compact and lightweight 3D printer designed for both beginners and portable home office use, featuring a semi-assembled kit that is 95% pre-installed for quick setup. With dimensions of 7.09 inches cubed and a weight of just 5.8 kilograms, it is easy to handle, making it suitable for students and children. The printer employs a cantilever structure that balances weight effectively, enhancing stability and efficiency during printing. Its innovative XYZ axis design includes a Y-axis OSG linear guide rail for smooth operation and an X-axis belt adjustment knob for easy tension adjustments, while the Z-axis features a limit hand screw for height adjustments. Additionally, the direct drive extruder ensures stable and precise filament extrusion, compatible with a variety of common materials such as PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, making it an adaptable choice for various 3D printing projects. Number 5. Flsun Super Racer 3D Printer. The Flsun T1 3D printer is a high-performance machine designed for efficient and precise printing, featuring a remarkable speed of up to 1000 mm per second and a maximum flow rate of 90 mm3s. With a spacious printing volume of 260 mm in diameter and 330 mm in height, it accommodates larger projects while maintaining stability thanks to its delta structure. The printer includes an acrylic enclosure that broadens the range of compatible materials, including demanding filaments like ABS and TPU, while its dual-gear direct drive extruder ensures smooth material extrusion. Users benefit from a user-friendly setup with easy bed leveling, a heated PEI print surface for optimal adhesion, and Clipper firmware for enhanced performance. The integrated AI camera allows for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography, making the Flsun T1 an innovative choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking reliable and high-quality 3D printing solutions.